In less than 2 minutes, I will show you how to farm AI token on Binance Launchpool. Navigate to Binance Launchpool and you have 3 options to choose from. Pool you want to stake from, and you have to choose. Right now I'm going to choose TUSD pool and I will use this stake option. I will press stake right here, and you can manually press the amount of token you want to stake. Let's say for instance 200, or use max option, press stake. Once you press stake, the token has been staked automatic, and right here you can see the amount of token I stake, 486 TUSD. I will show you how to redeem. You will find this redeem button right here. Press redeem. Once you press redeem button, it's going to take you to where you'll be able to redeem the token, and you can press max if you want to redeem all your token and press redeem. Once you press redeem, your funds is going to go to your spot wallet, and you can go back again and stake your token, because I want to farm this token on Binance Launchpool. And right here I'm going to restake this token, press max and stake again. You see successful staked, and the money is going to appear right here again, and you find this option is going to be function. If you have token to claim, right here is going to show claim token, and you will use the option to claim. And if you want to stake the other token also, you can use the same step.